If you clicked on this video, it's because you probably need some help. I know you're probably scrolling endlessly on your phone trying to figure out what to get your girlfriend for Christmas this year. But don't worry, I know just what the girls want, okay? So today, I have the top 5 Christmas gifts ideas for girls in 2024. In this video, you're going to find 5 Christmas gifts ideas that your girlfriend will actually use and love. So grab a pen, take some notes, because all of these ideas that I'm going to be sharing with you today are based on the most viral products of 2024. That means all these gifts ideas are guaranteed to make your girlfriend fall deeper in love with you. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. If your girlfriend has ever mentioned struggling going to sleep or waking up in the morning, this gift idea is definitely going to change her life. The Hatch Restore 2 could be the perfect gift to transform her routine completely. This is not just an alarm clock. It's a smart sleep device designed to help her relax, fall asleep faster, and wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Imagine your girlfriend ending her day with a soft, calming sound, or maybe a dim lighting that she can customize to fit her mood. The Hatch Restore 2 creates the kind of peaceful bedtime environment that is going to feel like your girlfriend is winding down in a spa. This is just what your girlfriend deserves. What makes this gift so special is that it's going to improve every part of her sleep experience. So instead of starting the day feeling rushed, your girlfriend is going to wake up gradually to a warm, glowing light that mimics the sunrise. This alarm clock is designed to work with her body's natural sleep rhythm, which means mornings will feel so much easier and more pleasant. This gift is not just about better mornings. This alarm clock also has customizable routines to help your girlfriend fall asleep faster. With white noise, pink noise, and nature-inspired sounds, it can mask distracting noise, helping your girlfriend drift off to beautiful sleep. And the best part is that this device is super easy to use and she can control all her routines by using her phone. Beyond all the wonderful features that this alarm clock has, it will also look beautiful on her nightstand. Its minimalistic and modern design come in soothing natural colors, so it won't just feel functional, but it's also going to add a styling touch to her room. Whether she's a light sleeper, someone who loves routine, or just appreciates thoughtful gifts that make her life easier, this is something that she will use and love every single day. The best part is that you can find this product on Amazon. It's going to be delivered right to your doorstep and it costs $169. Moving on, if your girlfriend loves to take pictures, loves to create content and post on social media like most girls do, this product is going to be the ultimate gift for her. This 4K digital camera takes ultra sharp photos and records stunning 4K videos, making it perfect for anyone who wants to create high quality content or simply loves to document her life. This year, girls have been obsessed with taking photos on a digital camera because let's be honest, they just look so much better than they do when you take them on your phone. This camera has features like slow motion, time-lapse, face detection, and even a self-timer, giving her endless creative possibilities. Your girlfriend can start blogging for YouTube, capture moments, or just take natural selfies. The 180-degree flip screen makes framing shots super easy. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, so she can carry it anywhere without any hustle. It's perfect for travel, family events, or just snapping photos on your guys' favorite dates. The camera also has a built-in flash for clear photos in low light, and it comes with 2 batteries and an SD card, so your girlfriend is going to be ready to start using it right out of her Christmas box. It even supports recording while charging, so she will never have to worry about running out of battery during an important moment. Every time she uses this camera, she's going to be reminded of how thoughtful her boyfriend is. You're going to be choosing a gift that supports her passion and her creativity. And trust me, this is something that all girls want to receive this Christmas. This is also a great gift and it has kind of an affordable price. You can find it on Amazon for $79.99. This next gift is something that you should give to your girlfriend if you're trying to impress her and if she's been the best girlfriend all year long. And it is, of course, the famous Dyson Airwrap. This is a little bit more expensive than other gifts, but trust me, this is something that she's gonna use every single day and that she's gonna be thanking you forever. This high-tech hair styler is a complete game changer for her hair routine. It dries and styles hair at the same time using Coanda effect, which relies on airflow instead of extreme heat. This means she can create gorgeous hairstyles without worrying about heat damage, making it perfect for maintaining a healthy and shiny hair. It comes with 6 different attachments, specifically designed for curly, coily, and all other hair types. Whether your girlfriend wants some soft curls, voluminous waves, sleek, straight hair, or just a quick blow dry, this styler can do it all. I don't want to bore you with the details because you probably don't know a lot about hairstyling tools, but let me just tell you this. Giving your girlfriend this product is like you receiving a PlayStation 5 on Christmas, or I don't know, the latest video game is definitely the #1 thing on our wish list this year. You can buy this product on Amazon for $489. I know it's a little bit pricier, but this is something that is going to last her a long time, and I guarantee you she will just love it. This next gift is for all the girls that love skincare. If you see your girlfriend putting a lot of things on her body and her face, this next gift idea is something that she will love. The Sol de Janeiro Jet Set is a gift that will truly spoil your girlfriend. This travel-friendly set includes 3 of the brand's most iconic products: the Brazilian Cream, the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel, and the Brazilian Crush 62 Hair and Body Fragrance Mist. This gift is perfect for pampering her skin and making her feel amazing from head to toe. The Brazilian Cream is a favorite for a reason. It's fast absorbing, ultra hydrating, and infused with guarana extract to help her have a beautiful, smooth skin. Plus, it's going to leave a beautiful shimmer that adds a radiant glow. The scent is a warm blend of pistachio and caramel and is one that she will fall in love with. Next, we have the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. It's a perfect addition to her shower routine. It gently cleanses while leaving her skin soft and beautifully scented. And to complete the set, the Brazilian Crush 62 Hair and Body Fragrance Mist will keep her smelling incredible all day long. It's light, refreshing, and it captures the brand's signature tropical vibe. This set is not just about skincare, it's about giving her something that will make her feel beautiful and smell amazing throughout the day. This is a gift that she will definitely love, and you can find it on Amazon for $32. Moving on, if your girlfriend loves to work out, loves to stay hydrated throughout the day, this is going to change her life. Having a Stanley is something that has definitely changed my life and my health because it makes me want to drink water all day long, so I stay super hydrated, and it's also very good for my health and my skin. Think of this as a 40-ounce water bottle, okay? So it's definitely gonna make your girlfriend drink a lot of water throughout the day, and it also looks super cute. I got mine in pink because it's my favorite color, so definitely think about your girlfriend's favorite color and get her a Stanley in it. A Stanley is going to keep your girlfriend's favorite drink at the perfect temperature. Whether it's water, coffee, maybe some iced tea, a Stanley is gonna keep it perfect all day long. This product comes in an ergonomic design that is not only functional, but also looks fantastic. So she will feel great carrying it around in the gym or maybe at school. It's very easy to hold, fits in most car cup holders, and it's durable enough to handle daily use. All Stanleys come with this iconic straw, but your girlfriend can quickly take it off and just flip around the lid, and this way she can drink all her favorite hot drinks. This product is available on Amazon for $35, and I guarantee you she's going to love it and use it every single day. All right, there you have it. 5 Christmas gift ideas that your girlfriend will definitely love this year. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below which gift idea you thought would be best for your girlfriend. If you need a link for any of these products, I'm gonna have them listed down below. Remember that if you do decide to use the links below, we will get a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. This way you can support the channel so we can keep creating free content like this for you guys. So thank you so much in advance for using it. All right, thanks for watching. Happy holidays, and I'll see you in the next video.